How to use the Digital Inventory app.
Open the link on the device to download the job. Follow the button. Install the Inventory B. And just open the app, job will download it automatically. The Inventory app is ready for use. Make sure the dispatch job is highlighted and tap on the 3 boxes icon at the bottom. We look at a table and notice a damage. Tap on plus. Tap to add item. Start typing table and tap on table. Tap on table to see its details. Tap on condition. Go through the list and pick scratched. After that, take a photo. And go back. Tap on plus and create a new package. Say, we are looking at some boxes containing the same of household good. We add them quickly using the clone function. Tap to add item. Pick box. Tap on the copy button and create an identical package. We see air conditioner. Tap on plus. Tap to add item. Pick air conditioner. Go into details. Tap on type, the second row from the top. Select electronic. Scroll down the screen and enter appliance details. When done, go back. Go back one more time. Go to the sign and send screen. Tap on pickup summary. We see how the information entered in the application is reflected in the report. Most of our users, through trial and error, figure out how to enter the information in the application so that it appears in the description in the desired way. Get the signatures and open the PDF one more time to send the signed version of this to the client. Tap on the cloud icon to upload this PDF to the portal. Go to the portal and tap on Download PDF.